It's Thursday, so that means we are back in Lynn Matava's kitchen. Lynn is a nutrition educator with the University of Maryland Extension.
And if you're looking for a healthy and a light dish for the holiday season, then she has the perfect sweet potato recipe for you. Let's check it out.
With the holidays approaching, there are many reasons we might like to think about having healthy holiday celebrations. And we can still have treats and enjoy all of the things that we like to enjoy during the holidays, but it helps if we have some light and more nutrient-dense dishes during this time. So what I have for you today, we're going to make a lighter version of a sweet potato casserole. What we're going to do is we are going to cook about 4 sweet potatoes, and you can do more if you have a big crowd coming. You can peel them first, and then you could boil them on top of the stove. I chose instead to roast them. So you can see what I have here are these beautiful brown and roasted potatoes. They've started to caramelize a little. What I really like about this recipe, it's very flavorful, it's bright and colorful, it's full of nutrients, and it's something that everyone's going to enjoy. And then I'm going to add to this I'd say I'll start with about half a cup. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, of a lower fat coconut milk. And I just really want enough of this in here to be able to kind of get them all mashed up nice and creamy. Anytime you want to add more flavor to vegetables, roasting them in the oven is going to increase that depth of flavor by allowing natural caramelization and browning, kind of like the idea of when we put things on the grill. And so to this, I'm going to add a couple unusual ingredients. This is cardamom. So cardamom is a spice. We're going to use the ground version. This is what it looks like whole, these kind of seed pods. They are a flavor you might recognize if you've ever had chai before. And it's kind of citrusy. It's got notes of pine. It brightens things up, and a little goes a long way. I am only putting about half a teaspoon to this whole container here. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a little teeny bit of black pepper. I like spice, so I'm adding cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm just making sure that gets mixed all in and everything is well combined. What we're going to do here is we're going to wipe our dish with a clean towel just so it looks nice and pretty. And I'm going to top this with about, I'd say, 1/3 to 1/2 cup of chopped raw pecans, which are another thing that just make me think of fall. We are going to add just a little bit of maple syrup. I'm drizzling about a tablespoon. You could omit this altogether, especially if you're watching your sugar or just trying to eat the more natural flavor of the vegetables, but that's it. Now we're just going to, we can put this in the fridge overnight if we made this a day in advance, and when it's time to serve, we're going to pop this into a 375-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until everything starts to brown on top, and this will make an excellent addition to your holiday table. So I hope you check this one out. If you do, let us know what you think.
As a reminder, we do have all the Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's tips and tricks on our website. Just head on over to WMDT.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.
And share your version of this delicious recipe by using the hashtag UMDYum.
Definitely looks very yummy.